This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start right inside the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and screen is unlocked. Once done, close background apps so readings aren't skewed. Tap Settings, then Battery. This is where the phone reports usage and charging info. You want the immediate data, not a cached value, so wait a few seconds for numbers to stabilize. If the phone is charging, unplug briefly to view discharge behavior. This shows real health patterns rather than charging spikes. Now inspect the battery usage graph to see which apps consume most power. You'll want both the 24-hour and 7-day views for trends. Next, open Battery Health or Advanced Battery Info. This reveals estimated capacity, sometimes listed as a percentage versus original. Make sure to compare screen on time and app drain percentages to expectations, because an app consuming 20% could mask true battery decline. Also note charging cycle counts. Higher cycles usually equal reduced capacity. To confirm, charge the phone to 100%, then use it until about 5% remains. This full discharge test gives a practical capacity check. If results look inconsistent, reboot and repeat the same steps, because temporary software glitches can misreport health. If capacity reports under about 80% or you see rapid drops, use the phone's factory diagnostics or contact service. This often warrants a battery replacement. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache and test again before concluding hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.